And could I lift them over there? Yeah. See, I'm resting them on my knees. But I don't want to just think, oh, I'll just manhandle it over. I'm not 20 years old anymore. You know, I gotta start working smart. My brain's not growing. You know? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4 full ones. See, I got 4 full ones right there. And then, you know, those cuts over there, those are going to be heavy in themselves. So, you see, I don't want to keep taking these full ones out just yet until I'm going to have to lift that one up, slide it out a little bit so it's out from underneath the rail, then tilt it up this way. I think that's what I'm going to do next, because I think I want to keep these down so I can walk on that more so than anywhere else. Okay. All right. I gotta psych myself up for these things. Yeah, no joke, man. Guess I'm gonna take that small one out first. That little small one is rubbing on the big one. So I'll get that one out first. So they cut some sheet metal and they used it as shoots. I'll save those in case I need them. Just this right here feels like a 15-pound dumbbell. Just this little piece right here. Well, it's going to be tricky to get all this stuff back in too. I'm going to have to start from over here and work that way, I believe. Yeah, there's just no two ways about it. These are going to be really tricky to get back in there. I'm going to have to slide it in, and there's a lip over there. You'll see. You know, let's not worry about that just yet. I don't want to get too worked up about anything. One thing at a time. The next issue is just getting this tile up. That's all. That's all I care about. I don't care about anything else on this job except this. Sit there. There. Oh, good. Lift. Here. Legs. Baby. Okay. Don't want to get it out too far. This 2x6 goes all the way over, but as you know, it's bent down. I still have to be careful with it, don't I? I don't want to reach over too far on my body. Any further than I have to, let's say. Oh. There. Whew. Let's see, there's a cut edge on this, and that faces that way. And I'm probably going to have to mark these, and I'll mark them on the back side. Outside left, I'll put that. In fact, maybe I should write that on there now. Outside left. Outside left. And I'm going to write left on it in case it gets marked up. Okay. Whew. Now, Now I can take that little piece out. See, I have to take that little piece out too. And I'll have to mark that. Let's see if I can get that. Got little putty knives and stuff. Right outside left. Put an arrow. I know that goes to the back. I'll write back on this. Even though I've taken a picture of everything, trust me, when you put everything back together, you may start having a question. This is like building blocks, puzzle. It's like a puzzle. Okay, so before I get too rambunctious, I'm gonna have to mark the back of those other pieces too. I was thinking, I'll remember everything, but you know, it's gonna be a while before I can put these tiles back, right? So, what tiles should I take up next? Yes. This is the process of elimination. This is the next one right here. This one, then that one. This one here, then that one, then that one. And the way it goes, just like that. And you know, I might even want to put a pencil mark on this tile, right where the joint is. Okay, and where this one is, I'm going to end up taking this row out too. That'll tell me where those go. That'll tell me they're right there. That'll tell me when I put those back together. You know, when I put the side ones in, and I'll have to put this notched one in. I should be able to just push this one right up against the notched one. Hopefully I don't break the notched one and all that. But see, I'll probably put a pencil mark. I should do that too, right? Pencil mark right there. I got my construction pencil. I take a sheetrock knife, and it was getting kind of dull, so there's hardly any left. I just take my sheetrock knife and just clean up the edges and just keep moving it around. And that's how you start a new pencil. And that's how you get a little bit more. And I can even shave off some of the lead. Nowadays, they didn't used to, but now you can buy this special little pencil sharpener for rectangular pencils like this. You put it in there, you can still twist it, and somehow it figures out how to cut that all out nice. But hey, it's just something else I got to buy, something else I have to hang on to. I just do it that way, like that, okay? It's kind of interesting how they've installed this, huh? We'll know more once I get this up further. Isn't it odd that over there, there's no sand. There's no sand underneath those tiles. Look at that. See, this is a foam. Well, it's kind of a thickish material, and it weeps, and the water can go right under there. And see the little dimples on there? That's something underneath it, see? They set it on that. And then they put the black over it, and then it looks like they put the tile over that. So where did all this sand come from? I'm kind of interested and curious where all this sand came from. It couldn't have just come through the cracks of this. Granted, this little area is probably 15 to 17 years old. Where did all the sand come from? I'm going to be curious if once I pull all this stuff up here, if it's just like the black, and once I pull all this stuff up, maybe there's a sand layer underneath that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. One more time. One more time, huh? Ah. Ooh. Pull this up. Lift with your legs, not your back. Ah. There. Now, you can move this one over. Oh. Oh. Get this one out of the way. Out of the way, Jose. Can you see? I think you can see that. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's still on. Yeah, it's still on. We are still on. My battery's getting a little low for my camera, but I have another battery here already. I need to bring that back on. I don't know, but I might not want to leave that like that. I might just stack it up next to the other ones, huh? Now, you got to remember, you've got that much more weight on the floor down there, but those were TJI joists. I feel confident it will hold the extra added weight. So, three more full tiles to go. 3 more full tiles to go. But before I do that, I'll probably get this one out of the way. I'll get this one out of the way next, huh? And I think I'm going to move that one the same way. Still, these things are still pretty heavy. A little bit easier to work with now. I'm going to just keep swiveling it around. Okay. I'm just going to lean it up against the wall. Right there. So I can get ready for the next one.